Time to do a little tech spring cleaning, and with Easter and Earth Day around the corner, Amazon Tech toy and gaming contributor Trisha Hershberger has the latest tech and toys and ways to save, including how to sustainably sell old tech. Hello, Trisha.
Hey there! Declutter, upgrade, and recycle this spring. The average US adult is sitting on over $2,000 worth of unused tech. And if you're looking to sell camera gear, MPB is the leading reseller in the US, and sustainability is at the core of their business. They recirculate over 500,000 cameras and lenses a year, extending their life and creative potential. Looking to sell? You can get a free instant quote at mpb.com. And if you're buying, rest assured that MPB experts inspect all items before reselling them. This spring, you can personalize your kids' toys and outfits with the new Cricut Explorer 4, the next generation of Cricut's fan favorite machine. Now 2 times faster, you can craft bright springtime decorations, full color stickers, cards, t-shirts, and even create fun party favors for adults. You can upload and cut your own designs or choose from the easy-to-learn Cricut Design Space library with over 1 million images and licensed designs, allowing you to express your creativity and level up your celebration. Not only is this award-winning puzzle cube STEM and STEAM inspired, but it also meets a new standard in the toy industry called MESH. That stands for Mental, Emotional, and Social Health. Shishibo, which is short for shape-shifting box, supports cognitive development, stress relief, and social play by encouraging focus, patience, and hands-on engagement. The original magnetic puzzle cube transforms into over 70 unique shapes with a satisfying click, and with over 50 stunning designs to choose from, it really is a work of art. Find them on Amazon's dedicated Mesh product page. For more information about anything I've discussed today, you can always head to dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Trisha.